Oh my god, she's out.
Done. Do you want to take a look underneath?
Let's have a look.
This?
Yeah.
See what?
Oh no. Oh dear dear. Can you mend it? Aye. But it's gonna take all day. Oh no. Glad you got the post done, Pat. Goodness gracious.
Right back. I'm sure this is according to class health and safety.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Lovely. Nice. Do you want to buzz things off while it's floating?
Yeah, well, I think we need to get everything. We need to take a look at the old motor.
Yeah.
Put the flywheel on this as well. I think those bolts are still on the
Yes.
old engine, so whip those off.
Oh, well done for keeping that. Do we need to get any of this corrosion off, or?
We could have just to make it nice, but that's not
No,
really going
that's-
to make.
no
We're
one's
not
gonna
going to
see
see it. Yeah.
Yeah. No worries.
Let me grab the box.
Okay. All right.
Might be right, I think it might be a different size.
You think it's a different size? Yeah, that's not going on, is
Oh
it?
no, I think it is the right size.
Oh,
yeah. There you go. It basically just like you see the starter's got a cut out just for the flywheel to sit in.
yes. But does it match up with the teeth?
But I think the bolt pan is the bolt pan's slightly different.
You're right about that too. Okay.
Oh, right.
Well, that's fine.
It's okay, yeah.
So we can carry on.
Yeah.
We just won't be able to sort out the
We basically
Clutch
can't
and
put the
gearbox. Clutch.
We'll have to put the gearbox in separately.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't think we'll be
No problem.
too much of a cot.
No. But we've got to get this out your garden, so it's
Yeah,
yeah.
Anything.
Well, I think we're still looking good here. We
Yeah,
can
yeah.
slap this in.
Yeah.
That's a shame that doesn't fit,
No.
but it's a learning process, isn't it? I suppose.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right. Okay, we can take it there.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. I think we need this bad boy.
Can't really go much tighter.
Yeah, that'll do.
That's not going anywhere.
It's quite loose. Don't need power steering.
No. Yeah, worst case we just do a power steering delete.
Is that really what people, when they do like power steering and AC, that's really all they're saving?
Yeah.
Christ. It's not heavy, really.
No.
Okay, okay. Do you know, I might whip that one off. Was it 10 mil?
Yeah, I think so. Looks like a 10.
Oh, piss off.
Yeah.
Nice.
wood, then we just rest the engine into position.
Okay. Right, I'll...
Yeah, that's basically right. Hang on.
Yeah, there you go, that's...
The question is which...
It's giving it any weird tilt. That's fine. Yeah, it's alright. Should we do some twist on it? That's fine. Gently does it.
Easy, easy. I mean, surely at least one bloke, one Japanese man at Toyota thought, oh yeah, that would go
Yeah.
nicely.
You always wonder what they might have in the lab somewhere, you know, like as a project that never was developed or didn't get enough money or
Carina GTR,
something like that, yeah.
a GR Carina.
Okay, pal. Down you go.
Right, hello, welcome to 2024. It's been a while, but this weekend we're going to be working on the Carina and sorting out one of the issues we have at the moment, which is the car has no flywheel or clutch. So this here is the original flywheel off the 4AF, and although it has the correct, like the teeth link up, it's the right size, unfortunately the bolt pattern isn't quite right, so we can't use it, unfortunately. Which is a bit of a shame because we weren't quite sure where we were going to source a replacement flywheel, because they are quite expensive for this engine. We obviously already have a clutch set with obviously the pressure plate and, you know, it's just an XED clutch kit. This will be fine. Yeah, I think enough said about that. But the real party piece that we were able to find, I guess, was it around Christmas time, New Year, was this flywheel from Facebook. So it's a lightened flywheel, Toda Racing, and I'm hoping that it's going to fit. It's just come off a silver top, funnily enough. Or was it a black top? It might have been a black top. But yeah, quite exciting. Got this for a really good price. About, I think, 150 quid once you converted the euros over. But yeah, came all the way from Ireland. And yeah, quite excited to get this on. So hopefully today we're going to get the gearbox off the car and install our lightened flywheel and clutch.
Yeah, now it'll come out easy.
I think that'll do.
Yeah. Pretty level.
Okay.
Alright.
Cool. Now what?
Bump something to rest the engine on while we pull the gearbox up, I think.
I could put a pallet here if you like.
Yeah.
I'll grab a pallet. Oh, it's the starter motor.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, there's a pin on it. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Did it go on nice that time?
Yeah, after a few wiggles,
Yeah.
that's gone on perfectly.
Lovely.
Yeah, I don't think we need that spacer either.
No.
Yeah, that looks good.
So.
It's turned nicely.
Yeah, the engine's not seized. That's good to see.
Yeah. Ooh. Might be worth putting a new belt on this.
Well, yeah, no doubt. We
Oh
might
my.
want to do a new cam belt. So
Yeah,
I don't know
look
how
at
old
that.
it is. It's fucked. That's where it's been sat. Jesus. You need to get a good picture of that.
No, I do. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, push that bit in. Yeah, I think that's in, and then slap it on the spline. Is that the spline?
Well, that's the spline, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Yep, that feels
That
feels good.
I don't think it's actually sat.
Well, just put it back.
I'm trying
Yeah.
to work out where the fork's actually on the.
Yeah, that's on.
Yeah.
It's on.
Whether it's on.
Yeah, that's on. That looks good. That's what I got. Hang on, back up, back up. Okay, it's got to be on your side, I think.
Yeah, it's in. It's in. Let me just thread a bolt in.
You can line a clutch up 3 different ways. You can use the proper tool, you can line it up by eye, or what we used to do years ago is use an old broom handle. And this is part of our broom.
That just came flying off. What the hell's that?
Tie.
Okay.
Whatever.
Whatever, yep.
You learn something new every day, you do.
So
Normally
you
I
think-
just go to the toolbox and get out my clutch alignment tool.
So we now just got to chuck that in.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at it from here, that looks dead straight to me.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Right.
So one of the pins is in on the bottom pin here is on.
Yeah, they're both on up here as well.
Lovely.
Okay, well that worked then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tried.
Let's just get some bolts in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, so the gearbox is round.
Cool. Yep. Yep. Oh, hang on. It's just that mount at the back.
Yeah, it needs to come
Forward?
we just need to pull it forwards a little bit so it can just...
Like that. Right, here we go. Oh. Try. Yeah, that's like perfect.
Oh yeah, it's perfect on the bushing, yeah.
Right, okay. Well, well, we just need to...
We need to find out what bolts went in there.
Yeah. God, heating it up and smacking it with a bit of wood seemed to have worked. With a £10 sledgehammer. Right, well. We can need some taps.
Just give it a little persuasion, yeah.
Yep. There we go.
Nice. Alright,
And the other one? It's just by your head.
yeah. That's it, if this one mates up properly. Which it doesn't quite want to do. Right,
Nice.
hopefully that and then the rest will come off again.
Yeah.